But my biggest problem is that you will never know who JFK really was. Because back then, there was no 24-hour cable news mill to blind his vision of a new frontier into poison dust the second it escaped his lips. Well, I say it's never too late to slander something universally accepted as good. Here to analyze the president's speech is my all-American pundit panel. Fellas, let's tear Camelot a new hole.
So let us begin anew. Remembering on both sides that civility is
Have you gotten the new memo on civility that we all have to act a certain way?
We don't lecture on civility, but clap for civility.